Want to make $500 a week using just your phone? No degree, no experience, no office drama. In this video, I'll show you 10 real remote jobs you can start today with proof they pay and the exact apps and platforms that make it possible. These aren't random apps or gimmicks. I've tested and reviewed hundreds of real work platforms to find what actually works. By the end, you'll know which ones fit your skills and how to combine them for steady weekly income. And if you want a shortcut, I've linked a free resource below, the Smarter Job Search Guide, to help you start applying right away. You can grab it anytime at stan.store/nailthenextstep. Let's start with the easiest one. First, customer service representative. You handle calls or chats for companies helping customers with orders or technical support. Pay ranges from $12 to $18 per hour. To make $500 a week, plan around 30 hours. This one is 100% phone friendly. If you're updating your resume for these roles, try JobScan. It shows exactly which keywords to fix before you apply. The link is in the description. Best platforms include LiveOps, Arise, and Working Solutions. LiveOps is beginner-friendly. Arise requires training but pays slightly more. Next, data entry. You input information like receipts, surveys, or lists into spreadsheets. Pay is $10 to $15 per hour. To earn $500 weekly, expect about 35 hours. Accuracy and focus matter more than speed. Try ClickWorker, Amazon MTURK, or Axion Data Entry. ClickWorker has the most phone-friendly tasks, perfect for beginners. You listen to audio and type what you hear, interviews, podcasts, or lectures. Starting out, the real hourly rate averages $5 to $8 once you factor in typing time. To reach $500 weekly, expect around 60 hours until you build speed. If you want to streamline your setup, Resume.io can help you format your work-from-home resume quickly. It's linked below. Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript are great starting points. Rev pays weekly but has strict accuracy rules. TranscribeMe offers short clips that help you gain experience. You manage posts, comments, and engagement for small businesses or influencers. Pay ranges from $15 to $30 an hour. Work 20 hours weekly and you're close to $500. Phone-friendly rating, about 85%. Most freelancers start on Fiverr or Upwork to build portfolios. Both are linked below. Start with Upwork, Fiverr, or Belay. Offer to manage one platform, like Instagram, then expand once you have results. Virtual assistants handle admin tasks, emails, calendars, research, and bookings. Pay is $15 to $25 per hour. Working 20 to 30 hours weekly can bring in $500 consistently. Fele, time, etc., and fancy hands are strong choices. Most VA work happens directly through mobile apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack. We're halfway there. You've seen 5 legit ways to earn using just your phone. Which one sounds like your fit? Data entry or virtual assistant work? Drop your answer in the comments. And remember, you can download the free Smarter Job Search Guide at stan.store/nailthenextstep to start faster. Now let's explore the next 5. You call people for market research or feedback. You'll read from a prepared script and record their responses. Pay is $10 to $15 per hour. To make $500 weekly, plan around 35 hours. This one is 100% phone-based. Respondent.io. User interviews and Survey Junkie are the top options. Respondent pays the most, $50 to $200 for specialized studies. Show test websites or apps and record your thoughts while navigating them. Companies pay to watch how real users behave. Pay ranges from $10 to $60 per test. Each test takes 10 to 20 minutes, giving you a real hourly rate of $30 to $60. Complete around 10 to 15 tests weekly to hit $500. Once you start testing, track your earnings using the free spreadsheet in the Smarter Job Search Guide, linked at stan.store/nailthenextstep. User testing, Try My UI, and Userlytics are top choices. User testing is most reliable, $10 per 20-minute test with weekly payouts. You teach English, math, or other subjects to students around the world. Most sessions happen through chat or short video calls. Pay ranges from $15 to $25 an hour. Working 20 to 30 hours weekly can easily reach $500. If you create lesson materials, Canva is great for templates and worksheets. I've linked it below. Cambly, VIP Kid, and Chegg Tutors lead this space. Cambly doesn't require a degree, just clear English. VIP Kid pays more but asks for a bachelor's degree. Here review posts, comments, and images to ensure they follow community rules. Pay averages $15 to $20 an hour. Working about 25 hours weekly can get you $500. It's steady, but requires emotional resilience. Mod Squad, Lionbridge, and Appen are reliable companies for moderation roles. Choose projects that match your comfort level. Some categories can be sensitive. You evaluate businesses by calling or visiting stores and reporting your experience. Pay is $10 to $50 per assignment, sometimes plus free meals or products. To earn $500 weekly, aim for 15 to 20 shops. Try Bestmark, MarketForce, or Secret Shopper. Some shops are fully phone-based, meaning you can work without leaving home. Let's build a realistic plan. Start with one stable hourly role, like customer service or virtual assistant work. 20 hours gives you a steady base of $200 to $300 weekly. Then, layer in flexible gigs, user testing or surveys, for quick top-ups. That mix balances consistent income with faster payouts. And if you're ready to get organized, my job search success kit is available at stan.store/nail-the-next-step. It includes the planner and tracker I use with clients. Before applying, make sure your setup is ready. Test your internet speed at fast.com. Aim for 10 megabits or higher. Find a quiet space. Use wired earbuds or a headset with a microphone. Create a Google Voice number for work calls. You don't need fancy tools, just reliability. Be cautious. Real companies never charge you up front or promise hundreds of dollars per day for no work. If something feels off, check reviews on Glassdoor or search the company name with the word scam on Reddit. Every platform mentioned here is verified legitimate, and I only link tools and resources I personally trust. Here's what to do right after watching. Step 1, pick 2 or 3 jobs that fit your schedule. Step 2, create your profiles today. Approvals can take a day or 2. Step 3, apply to 5 to 10 openings immediately. To stay organized, download the free Smarter job search guide at stan.store/nail-the-next-step. It includes a printable planner and tracker to help you plan applications and stay consistent from day one. In your first week, expect around $100 to $200 as you learn the systems. By week 3, that can climb to $400. After a month, $500 or more becomes realistic. Most people quit in week 1. Don't be that person. Consistency always wins. You'll find 3 helpful links below. First, the free Smarter job search guide with direct platform links and a tracking sheet. Get it at stan.store/nail-the-next-step. Second, my job search success kit if you want advanced templates and planners, also at stan.store/nail-the-next-step. And third, my favorite tools like resume.io, JobScan, and Fiverr, all linked below to help you tailor your resume and find remote clients faster. Your phone can be your paycheck, but only if you start. Subscribe for more weekly guides on remote work and income growth, and check the description for links to free resources, tools, and the job search success kit. Everything you need to take the next step. Let's turn that phone into consistent income.